Phil Robeson, and I'm the Senior Director of the Infrastructure here at PaySpan. What AWS will do for us, some of the most important pieces for us is the scalability, the availability. We don't have that right now. The way I foresee Blue Sentry helping us is becoming a great team member for us and help train our personnel who are getting more involved in DevOps so that we can get to the point where everything is infrastructure as code. We don't have that now. Yeah, the biggest way it's going to help us, and it's going to be night and day, to be honest with you, it's going to be a complete culture shift, is right now, for example, if we need to build an environment, which we do on occasion, then we have to do it through VMware, and it's a very long process, can take sometimes a couple of days. Whereas in code, in AWS, we'll be able to spin up an entire environment like we need in a matter of minutes by pushing the code. And then as soon as we're done, we can tear it down, so it won't cost us a lot as far as resources go. And all we have to do is do our testing and everything, tear it down, we're done.
So I think today we went over a lot of the cloud storage offerings that Blue Sentry could help us get to immediately. I think that's one of the biggest concerns that I have for application development now. I know that disaster recovery here has always been an issue and one of our concerns. I think Blue Sentry can help us get there quickly.
It was eye-opening, understanding the journey that we've got to go through. You know, we're all in agreement, even at the senior level, that that's where we've got to go. But I don't think any of us understood all the steps we've got to do to get there. It'll be a total transformation for our organization. But what I saw today, I didn't even understand how transformational it can be. All the things that AWS and then Blue Sentry helping us get there offers, it's really just amazing. But I also understand the gap, and it is going to be a journey to get there. Getting to that end state that I saw that vision for today will allow not just me, but my entire organization to focus on value add to the business instead of the slogging of trying to get a release out and all the hoops we have to go through to get something from dev to prod. We spend way too much time on those types of steps as opposed to value add. They were impressive. I had met Blue Sentry a year ago at a conference, so had a little bit of interaction, but today really kind of showed just what expertise you could bring to the table, so it was great.